You don't lack discipline. Your brain is chemically trained to prefer mediocrity. Every time you reach for your phone, switch between tasks, or search for something quick and interesting, you are conditioning a dopamine response that makes doing deep work painful and getting distracted feels natural. This is not a motivation issue. This is a design problem for a reward system. And in this video, you will see how dopamine is secretly holding you back and the protocol that fixes it. We're going to break this down into 3 levels. 1. Why high stimulation makes you feel average. 2. How it destroys your ability to focus. 3. How to reprogram your dopamine for high performance without detox trends, but by shaping your behavior. The reward system behind every decision you make. Dopamine is not pleasure. It is a motivation signal. It tells your brain, this is worth your attention. Do it again. The problem is not dopamine. The problem is what you've trained it to respond to. Fast scrolling, endless variety, short-form stimulation, junk food, pornography, notification checking. These are high-intensity, low-effort rewards, and your brain always chooses maximum reward for minimum energy. So when it's time to build something, study, train, think, work without stimulation, your brain calculates. This is not worth it. Not because you're lazy, because the reward system has been calibrated for easier wins. That calibration is what keeps you average. If your brain thinks focus is low value, you will never be consistent, no matter how motivated you feel. So the real question is, why does stimulation make deep work feel painful? Why you can't focus anymore? Every time you consume high dopamine stimulation, you increase the bar for something to be considered engaging. This is referred to as feeling less pleasure from rewards. In simple terms, regular effort becomes non-rewarding. Reading becomes boring. Work becomes uninteresting. Training becomes more exhausting than it should be. But scrolling for 40 minutes becomes effortless because your brain is no longer optimized for performance. It is optimized for stimulation. And this creates the modern cognitive loop. You attempt to focus, it becomes uncomfortable. You escape the stimulation, you feel relieved. You go back to work, it becomes even worse. Each cycle reinforces the habit. This is how dopamine reinforces inconsistency. Not emotionally, but biologically. So the point is not to cut the dopamine. The point is to make your brain link dopamine with effort again. That's the switch. The high-performance dopamine protocol. This is where most people go wrong. They go for extreme detoxes, 7 days, no phone, total deprivation, and then they go back to the same environment with the same reward system, and nothing changes. Because the real solution is not removal, it is reconditioning. Step 1. Remove competing rewards during work. Your brain cannot value focus if a higher reward is one movement away. So during deep work, no phone in reach, no fast switching, no background stimulation. You are not increasing discipline. You are changing the reward comparison. Now effort becomes the most rewarding available action. Step 2. Use low dopamine breaks. Most people break their focus during breaks. They work for 40 minutes. Then scroll for 10. This tells the brain, work equals low reward, phone equals high reward. But instead, walk, stare into space, breathe, stretch. This reduces stimulation. So going back to work is now interesting again. You are resetting sensitivity in real time. Step 3. Single task training. Multitasking breaks dopamine. Single tasking focuses on it. When you eat without content, walk without your phone, train without music, work without switching, you teach your brain, this is the reward. This is how effort becomes satisfying again. High achievers are not more motivated. They are neurologically attuned for focus. Their brain has learned that effort equals reward, depth equals dopamine, progress equals satisfaction. Average performers live in the opposite loop. Stimulation equals escape. Effort equals resistance. You don't need more discipline. You need a reward system that makes discipline automatic. And once dopamine starts working for you instead of against you, focus is no longer a fight. It becomes your default state. This channel is not about motivation. It is about installing the psychological systems that make high performance inevitable. If you've made it this far, you're already different. You don't just consume, you build. Subscribe and lock in. Let's rewire together.